Sanjay Hegde, and I am the founder and president for Blue Ring Investors. I get this question all the time as to why one should be investing in senior housing. I will give you 5 good reasons as to why you should consider investing in senior housing. Number 1, baby boomers driving the demand. Number 2, new senior housing development and supply, as there is a shortage. Number 3, a recession-resilient investment. Number 4, historic investment performance. Number 5, senior housing as an alternative investment compared to traditional investment portfolio. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to get daily updates and to learn more about real estate investing. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please leave us a comment down below.